Welcome to IDFC First Bank. As a precaution against the spread of coronavirus, we are working with limited staff. Our services will be available only for reporting of lost cards, blocking of accounts, reporting fraud, and ATM or UPI disputes. We encourage you to use our net banking or mobile app for fast and easy 24/7 account access. We sincerely regret the inconvenience. Stay healthy, stay digital. Thank you. To report loss of card, blocking of accounts, reporting fraud, and ATM or UPI disputes, please stay on the line. IDFC फर्स्ट बैंक में आपका स्वागत है। कोरोना वायरस के प्रसार को रोकने के लिए एहतियात के तौर पे हम सीमित कर्मचारियों के साथ काम कर रहे हैं। हमारी सेवाएं केवल लॉस्ट कार्ड्स, ब्लॉकिंग ऑफ अकाउंट्स, रिपोर्टिंग फ्रॉड एंड ATM और UPI डिस्प्यूट्स के लिए उपलब्ध होगी। हम आपको तेज और आसान 24/7 अकाउंट एक्सेस के लिए हमारे नेट बैंकिंग या मोबाइल ऐप का उपयोग करने के लिए प्रोत्साहित करते हैं। हमें असुविधा के लिए खेद है। स्वस्थ रहे, डिजिटल रहे। लॉस्ट कार्ड्स, ब्लॉकिंग ऑफ अकाउंट्स, रिपोर्टिंग फ्रॉड एंड ATM और UPI डिस्प्यूट्स के लिए कृपया लाइन पे बने रहिए। फॉर डेबिट कार्ड पिन जनरेशन प्रेस 1। डेबिट कार्ड पिन जनरेशन के लिए 1 दबाएं। फॉर योर लोन रिलेटेड क्वेरीज प्रेस 2। लोन खाते से संबंधित जानकारी के लिए 2 दबाएं। फॉर क्वेरीज रिलेटेड टू योर बैंक अकाउंट प्रेस 3। आपके बैंक खाते से संबंधित जानकारी के लिए 3 दबाएं।
The available balance in your account is
1,95,029 rupees.
Please wait while we transfer your call to our banker on call.
Welcome to the bank where it's always your first speaking with Priti. How are you doing today?
I'm fine. I have not received my debit card for a very long time. It was blocked on June 1st, I believe.
Okay. Let me check. You're calling from the register mobile number, sir?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just searching your details. I'm speaking with Mr. Saurabh, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you just tell me your mother name for the verification purpose?
Mrs. Shashi Malik.
Absolutely perfect. Thank you so much. Just be online, sir. I will check that again. So you have given the request on 1st of June, right?
Yes. I think 1st of June or 4th of June maybe. I requested it online. I blocked my card online and I created a request for a new one. And when I log in, I also see the new card number generated. The last 4 digits are showing 1480 and the card is inactive. And it is not yet. It should be delivered by today. It's long back.
I can understand. Don't worry. We have started our courier services also. So, your account, in your name, the debit card has been already generated. So don't worry, you will be receiving the debit card from the Blue Dart team. You will be receiving the SMS, the AWB number, LVB number. Okay, you will be able to track in the Blue Dart tracking. Okay, and second thing, I would like to inform you, the courier services have been started. Don't worry, you will be getting the debit card. Okay.
When did the
courier? Of June we have started.
From when?
So we will be not able. We will be not able to tell you the date, but it is going to start. Don't worry.
When did the courier services start?
On 8th of June, sir. 8th of June.
So
and that is also partially has been started, not fully has been started. As still we have not got any update regarding the same, when it is going to start fully, but partially has been started. So they have started to deliver the welcome kit debit card. But so that's the reason I'm telling. To the next week or on this week only, you will be receiving the SMS from the Blue Dart team, so that you will be able to track. Okay.
Okay.
Anything else, sir, apart from this?
No, thank you.
Okay, so can I just talk with you 1 more minute? Is it okay for you?
Yes.
Okay, as you can see, you hold a good amount of balance, sir. So why don't you go for an FD, sir?
No.
If you give, because we are providing, as you are earning over here 7% rate of interest, so you will be earning from both the accounts saving account interest also and as well as the FD account. I can understand the money will be blocked, but don't worry, like you will be able to withdraw from the FD also if you want to break the FD, and whatever the charges are there, if you break an FD within your tenure, then it will be charged to your interest rate, not to your amount. So, for example, at least you go for a minimum amount we are providing in FD is 10,000. So if you give me an opportunity to book in for 30,000 or 50,000 FD of 10,000 rupees, so that you will be getting a 7.25% rate of interest for 1 year tenure.
Okay.
Okay, and if you, I can understand. I know, like you can book an FD from net banking also. But if you give me an opportunity, I will be earning a point regarding the same for my future growth.
Okay.
So can I just book an FD for you at least for an 30,000 or else for 50,000, sir? 10,000 of 3 FD or 5 FD?
I have just transferred money from the other account today. So this amount that you see, like 1,95,000 available, this was just transferred today. So I have transferred from another account. I maintain my mother's account also, and I keep the funds in Utkarsh Bank, which we have, because there also I get a lot of benefit. So I realized that I have to maintain 25,000 in this account, otherwise I will not get my Book My Show offer. So
correct. But
that is why
I would like to inform you. But I would like to inform you, if your amount goes 1 lakh below now, then you will be earning only 6% rate of interest, and this your account you need to maintain only 25,000, so that all the benefits you will be getting, right? So if you just block some of the amount, it's your investment only. From your account, from this account it will be debited, and to another account it will be credited, right? It's your money. If you want to do a premature withdrawal in 7 days, in between 7 days, if you got any emergency, you can just break an FD without penalty charges also.
Okay, tell me.
And after 7 days, if you break down, whatever the interest you will be earning, okay, for that interest rate, 1% charge. For example, if you're earning interest rate of 100 rupees, so on 100 rupees, 1%, that means 1 rupee. So 100 minus 1 rupee, 99 rupees will be credited with your amount with the interest.
Okay.
Okay. So just never you have done in this account. That's the reason I'm telling, so that you will be also able to know regarding the same. So can I just go for an FD for at least 5 or 50 or 30,000?
No, because I have calculated certain amount, and I need to keep that amount directly in the saving account. Otherwise, my average monthly balance which is required will not be met.
So that is only 25,000, sir. That is only 25,000.
No, you don't understand. It is 25,000 average monthly balance. So if you look at my scenario, on 9th of June, the closing balance in the account was just rupees 3,000. So 9th June, 10th June, it was 18th. So if you see that on 7th of June, it was just 4,000. So it was not even 25,000. I will have to compensate accordingly. I will have to keep more than 1 lakh rupees in this account now. I will be calculating this. And if you check, I usually do that towards the end of the month, 1 week before in my account, and then I transfer a huge amount of money. Sometimes I even have 4 lakh rupees in the account, and I maintain just for 2-3 days, and I just take care of the AMB. So that is how I calculate. So if I
then
make
at least, then at least go for an 15,000 small amount of 1 FD. No issue, sir.
Okay, are you my RM? Am I directly connected with my RM, or you are the customer service team in the customer service?
This is in customer service. Your account is not you don't have an RM into your account, sir.
I received a call from RM just before lockdown, and she told me that she would be the RM for my account. And anytime I call this number,
can you just tell her name, because I am not able to see the details of the RM. So can you just help me with the RM name, please, if you remember?
I have to check if I've noted that. Anushri Dwivedi. Anushri Dwivedi in March 2020. Sometime.
You have received an call. Okay. So exactly what you need to speak with an RM? Can you just is it okay if I can help you regarding the same?
What, that I speak to the RM?
Exactly for what purpose you require an RM? Can you just help me regarding the same so that I will help you? If you want an RM, then I can just arrange an RM for you again.
No, I was just curious to know because she told me that if I contact customer service number, I will automatically get connected to my RM. So I was just asking whether I am
No.
connected to my RM or
This is a customer care number. The RM, they provide this thing. The number, they provide their personal mobile number. They have their personal mobile number, office number, that means. Okay, personal office number. So don't worry, this is a customer care number. I'm not don't worry. You're thinking like any fraud will happen, so don't worry, sir. I will be taking the verification and all. This is a customer care number. This is a recorded line. You can just record my call. My name is Preeti Kolapkar.
I need a lot of money right now. Actually, I'm not ready for the FD. I have the money in the
I'm
account, but this is required to be transferred and to different accounts, and I have to maintain AMB. If I don't maintain my AMB in any other account, I have account with HDFC also and Axis Bank also.
But
So,
I'm just telling you to transfer from this account to another account, to your FD account. Your FD account will be created to your registered email ID, which has been updated over here. To your registered email ID, the acknowledgement receipt, the maturity date, how much interest will be on, all the acknowledgement receipt of the FD will be given to your registered email ID. And second thing, I'm just telling about to invest to the only 15,000, sir.
15
Not
1 5.
30 or 50. Only 15, 15, not 50.
Okay, can you call me in the evening or anytime tomorrow morning? Then I will be in the position to tell you.
So please give me an opportunity right now only so that I will achieve my target also, sir.
See, I would be more than happy to help you in helping you with your target completion. But my primary aim is that I am able to maintain my other accounts also well. If I am charged, 15,000 is not a very big amount. It's not a very small amount, and it's not about. But there's something that I'm more concerned right now because I had invested a lot of money in share market, and I immediately needed money in my accounts, different accounts that I maintain with different banks, and I have to maintain AMB in all of them.
If you feel, I can understand. If you feel and worry, then do it. No issue, no problem. Okay.
But if you still want, because any FD, this is not a concern. It's very simple. I understand that even 7 days I can break it anytime. Then you can call me tomorrow.
Correct. Only my count will be there, and afterwards, if you require, if any emergency comes between 7 days, go to the net banking, just do the login, put your username, password, and just break over there. You will be able to break, right? And it's an instant process also. And without charges, it will be break.
So I will be able to help you on this tomorrow only, because right now my main concern is my accounts, which I'm maintaining. I have to do
No
calculation.
problem.
Yeah.
So can I just do a call back tomorrow or else at evening?
Yes, you can call me back tomorrow, maybe anytime between 10, 11, or 10 or 12.
Okay, no problem. I will just do a call back. Don't worry. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Anything else apart from this?
No.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thank you for calling. I just First Bank. Have a great day, sir.
You
Take
too.
care.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah.